Okay. So before everyone join, I'm going to draw the cash account and the capitals. First we'll draw the capitals, then I'm going to draw the cash. Same like yesterday, what I'll do, whatever I have recorded, I'm going to upload in a YouTube. You just check it. I'll send the link. I'll forward in the group, however. Just click on that link. Intimate others also to check that link. Now, first I'm drawing the capitals. Then I'm going to draw the cash account. So cash account, we are going to end the sum. మజర్ని లేపి చెప్పండి క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అవ్వమని.
మ్యామ్ ఉన్నా మ్యామ్ నేను.
ఉన్నావా? ఒర్రే బాబరే, అయితే పడుకున్నావు ఇంకా లేవలేదు అనుకున్నాను. Partners capital account, then particulars P Q R. Particulars P Q R. Now this is done, and the last one is here. It's cash account. Cash or bank ani raste mailana, because annitki it is a common ani artham. Because we will not prepare here separate for cash, separate for bank, unless and until it is mentioned that if any account is having a overdraft. Here we don't have any overdraft, so that's why commonly we'll go for one account only. Yeah. Now capitals being a part of a liability, so opening balances always will be on which side, ma? Credit side.
Credit
so here by balance brought down.
balance down.
So first capital of P is how much, ma? 30,000.
1,000.
Q's capital is 25,000.
Yes,
and R's capital is 15,000.
100.
Now, from the realization, we got a profit, I said, no? So that's why the profit we are going to transfer as by realization, bracket low, profit. I'm just putting a short form. So how much I said? First fellow 12,100. Second person I said 7. మా మీరు మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి నేను చేసింది కరెక్టా రాంగా అని. డైరెక్ట్ ఇచ్చేసినారు కదా అనేసి బద్ధకంగా అదే పెట్టుకోవద్దు, ఒకసారి క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్, now please go, if you cannot go through the journal entries, you just have it. We even distributed the accumulated profit called general reserve also, ma. So that also entry we have to write now. So general reserve, for the first fellow we have transferred 7,500. Second person we transferred 4,500, and for the third person we have transferred 3,000. And apart from these, just go through the journal entries. If you have a screenshots, go through the journal entries. Here P and Q, these both the people have taken some things, ma. One has accepted to pay the liability, one has accepted to take the asset. So what is the entry we have written? Just see the realization account. Realization account, the Q was standing on the debit side, ma. Q in the realization account, Q is standing on the debit side. So first posting is on debit side, means the second posting will be obviously in the credit side only, no? So from which account I'm taking? From realization. What is paying? Bills payable. So in which account it will be affected? In the Q's account as 7,000.
Yes, ma'am.
Now all the things are done. Now please come down to the debit side. Here debit side. Now P is also taking something. Now please have a look in the realization. P is standing first time on the credit side. So obviously he'll come down to the next time on the debit side.
Debit side.
And what is the thing he's taking? He's taking fixtures, no? Okay, I'll cut
Yes,
down
madam.
the word. Yeah, he's taking fixtures.
Fixtures.
And how much is the amount? He accepted to take
So
1200.
12,000.
Now that's it. There are no other things to be taken here. So what we are going to do?
carry down.
ఓయ్ అదే కదా రియలైజేషన్ మనం ఇందులో మనం చేసేది బ్యాలెన్స్ క్యారీ డౌనా
కాదు కాదు.
మరి ఏం చేస్తాము దేంతో సెటిల్ చేసేస్తామన్నాను దే విల్ నాట్ కంటిన్యూ ఎనీమోర్ యా విల్ ఎండ్ అప్ విత్ cash because they will not continue anymore. The business is getting winded up. Now please tell
Yes,
me the
madam.
totals. 30 ఎవరు ఫాస్ట్ చేస్తారు చూద్దాం 30,000 plus 12,100 plus 7,500 49,600 వచ్చింది రాసుకోండి అక్కడ 49,600 minus 1,200 చేస్తే 48 400
Minus
1,200 నేను చేసేసినాను లేరా మీరు చేసేసరికి లేట్ అవుతుందని నాకు తెలుసు అందుకే క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ నేను పెట్టుకొని కూర్చున్నాను 25,000 అందరూ నిద్రలో ఉంటారు నాకు తెలుసు అందుకే సో 25,000 7260 4500 7,000 సో హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 43,760 ఇక్కడ మనకి
60.
మైనస్ చేయడానికి ఏమీ లేదు కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ గా 43,760 అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ వాట్
22,840.
15,000 how much
22,840.
Arey,
22,840.
good waking up now we have settled. We are going to close it now. So here no balancing figures, so only we are going to post the totals and we'll close it. The first one I said please write down. First one kitna tha 49 kuch aaya tha na 49 how much it was 600
600 madam.
okay na
49,600.
600.
So 49,600
600.
here, and the rest all will be the same 47,760
760.
and
22,840.
22,840.
With 0.
And here also 49,600,
600.
43,760
60.
and 22,840
840.
over. Now the last is what? Cash account.
24,260. Okay.
Enana.
ఏం లేదు మేడం
Now cash account is a part of a asset. So kabati balance brought down, we are going to
Brought
write
down.
on the debit side. How much is
Yes,
in the textbook? He gave 6,000 Nana. Now
6,000.
we are going to go with the journal entries. We have got all the cash we posted on the credit side. So how many times we posted? We'll just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times నేను పోస్ట్ చేశాను బై
madam.
క్యాష్ అని సో కాబట్టి ఆ అకౌంట్ మళ్ళీ నేను ఇక్కడ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసుకోవాలి సో ఏమని రాస్తాను ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఆల్ ద పోస్టింగ్స్ వేర్ ఆన్ ద క్రెడిట్ నౌ సెకండ్ టైం ద పోస్టింగ్స్ విల్ కమ్ డౌన్ టు ద
Debit side.
debit side from which account I am borrowing them
Realization.
To
realization so I'm going
realization.
to write
Realization.
to realization within a bracket first is stock amount is how much
30,000.
realization second one is what stock tarvata investments kada nana
Investments.
Yes madam.
and amount is 9,000 next
9,000.
to realization bracket lo
Plan.
third one is debtors I think debtors only yeah
DTB.
debtors and amount is 17,500
1,500.
and next to realization bracket lo plant amount is 30,000 no
30,000.
yeah
Freehold
Next,
property.
to
Realization. Freehold
realization,
property.
freehold
Freehold
property. Amount is 85,000 kada?
85,000. Yes, ma'am.
That's it, Noma. 5 times I
Yes,
paid.
ma'am.
5 times it's done. So I'm going to end up here. Now someone has to go for counting this one, because we have to count it, and here what is the specialty I said? Cash should get tallied. So that's why do it. Now,
Madam,
Amma,
1,74,500.
yeah, keep it aside. Credit side కూడా అంతే రావాలి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Now,
Okay.
again, please come down to the realization. Cash ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఎన్ని సార్లు ఉందో మనం మళ్ళీ రాస్తాం. So the cash was on the debit side in the realization account twice ma. ఒకటి creditors pay చేసినందుకు, ఒకటి expenses. So that's why next time it will be on which side? Credit side. So this
Debit.
is by creditors.
Credit.
How much I'm paying? 28,500.
28,500.
Next, by realization
Realization.
expenses. Because
Yes.
bills payable మనం pay
1,000.
చేయలేదు.
Yes, madam.
1,000.
Yeah, 1,000.
1,000.
అదే అయిపోయింది కదా. నెక్స్ట్ మా నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకెక్కడైనా క్యాష్ ఉందా? రియలైజేషన్ లో అయిపోయింది.
లేదు.
రియలైజేషన్ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ నేను ప్రిపేర్ చేసింది ఇంకోటి ఏ అకౌంట్?
Loan from P.
యా, లోన్ ఫ్రమ్ పి.
Loan
కరెక్ట్.
from P account.
సో వాట్ వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్? బై
Loan account.
ప్లీజ్ లోన్
P
అని
loan.
రాసేద్దాం.
P loan account.
యా, హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ ద అమౌంట్? 30,000.
1,000.
సో ఇప్పుడు
30,000.
బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ మొత్తం ఖాళీ అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా పీ లోన్ కూడా నేను పే చేశాను. బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ లయబిలిటీస్ ఆర్ నిల్ నౌ. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకెక్కడో ఏమో చూసాను క్యాష్, ఆ తర్వాత రియలైజేషన్ తర్వాత చేసింది ఇంకొకటి ఏ అకౌంట్ అని అడుగుతున్నాను. విచ్ అకౌంట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ అండ్ డూ యూ
Settlement.
ఫైండ్ క్యాష్ ఇన్ దట్? Just have a look above only. Just have a look above. What we have drawn before cash book?
Partners club.
Yeah. Do you find cash there?
Yes,
No,
on
madam.
debit side.
Oi.
On debit side.
Debit side
cash
only.
is there, Nama?
Yes, madam.
So first time it is on debit side means next time it should be on the
Credit
Credit
side.
yeah. So from whose account I'm taking? First is P's
P
capital.
P.
How much?
Okay.
40,
5.
48,
48,400.
Next, buy
Yeah.
use capital. How much?
43,760.
40, 3, 7, 60.
60.
Next,
R వచ్చేసి
buy
By
R's capital.
22,840.
22,840.
Yeah, that's it. Now please total it and tell me how much is left over.
Yes, madam.
Is it getting tallied?
Yes, madam.
Now
Two
all
amounts
the
same
things we
actually.
have done and it's getting tallied also.
Yes, madam.
Now is this clear? Along with the journal entries and the sum. So dissolution is much more easy. I think you find it is very easy. So I'm going to give today or tomorrow one more sum for you people. You try it, because until you try you will not understand totally, no? So for your trying purpose I'm going to give. How much is the total? 1,70,000. ఎంత వచ్చింది?
74.
174,500.
74,500.
So here also
74,500.
74.
1,74,500.
Okay, done.
Yes.
Yeah, please take down screenshots. Now I'm ending the class. I have one more class at 10 o'clock.
I'm
This
all
clear?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, I'm going to upload in the YouTube. You just check in
Yes,
the
madam.
Huh? Okay. Okay, then I'm ending the class, ma.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
madam. Bye, madam. Happy
Oh.
Dasra, madam.
Oh, yeah. Happy Dasara to you all also, ma.
Okay, madam.
Prepare well, whoever have the backlogs.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.